Most accurate forecast from the WATE 6 on your side storm team.
A lot quieter right now compared to this time yesterday. Gatlinburg Sky Park, we were finishing up the fireworks. People were heading back down the tram. Just much quieter out there right now and drier. Not seeing much in the way of rainfall. Past 3 hours, we've really seen those fizzle out. Portions of Scott County earlier in the 6 o'clock hour, we were watching that heavier rain in Cumberland County. That has since tapered off, but it's still pretty mild. We're sitting at 76 for Knoxville, 73 Maryville, 73 in Gatlinburg, 68 in Crossville, and there's a lot of moisture in the air. It's very humid. The sweatcast showing a lot of tropical to stickiness right across the board here. That means there'll be some fog in some spots first thing tomorrow morning. Reduced visibility. Take your time, especially if you're just now kind of easing your way back into a short 2-day work week, right? This will be early Thursday morning. Let's step through the day. Unlike this morning where we had showers early, it's going to be back to late afternoon, evening. This is 7 a.m. through midday, pretty quiet as you can see. Maybe one or two trying to develop. More likely we'll see that mid-afternoon. This is 3 o'clock. You see the storms blossoming right through 6 o'clock. There'll be downpours in spots where these pop up, and of course some lightning too. So if you're going to be out the area, lakes, pool, something like that, just working outside, keep that in mind. But then they will fizzle out pretty quickly once we're past sunset. 24 hours from now, pretty quiet across our area, just a partly to mostly cloudy sky. And that'll be the case Friday as well. We're not talking about our overnight rain chances here. It's mainly just Thursday, Friday during the afternoon and evening, and shortly after sunset, they fizzle out. Let's talk about this late Saturday into Sunday. I think the majority of Saturday will end up dry. This is 7 a.m., quiet start. We've got some sunshine. Midday, still pretty quiet, but notice the clouds building over the Smokies. There may be one or two isolated storms here during the afternoon. This is 3 o'clock, but I really think the majority of the area stays dry during the daylight hours, okay? Watch, though, between 7 p.m. and 11 p.m. Yeah, showers, thunderstorms, some locally heavy rainfall possible as this cold front approaches the area, and we'll see that ramp back up again as we go through the day Sunday. That front should pass through the area, though, early Monday. We get a brief break, I think, from the rainfall for a couple days early next week. But we're pretty quiet overnight tonight. I'd say just a partly cloudy sky, some patchy fog in 69. Warm and humid, more pop-up storms in the afternoon tomorrow with a high of 89. And the 7-day forecast, again, has those limited rain chances during the day Saturday. A little more likely Saturday night. And again, as that cold front pushes through later Sunday into Monday. And there's that break I was talking about, that front. Hope it's not wish casting, but the majority of the forecast models have showed this thing drifting down to about the Georgia-Tennessee border, which would give us a little bit quieter first part of next week, Tuesday into Wednesday, with temperatures in the mid to upper 80s, which means overnight lows are just a little more comfortable as well, mainly in the mid to upper 60s.